Welcome to the Level 2 BSL Dialogues and Stories online package. I just want to explain what's included in this online study course to help you to develop your British Sign Language receptive and productive skills. Let's have a brief tour of the main content and some examples of the dialogues and stories. Here is Marcel Hirshman. He will be guiding you through the main Level 2 BSL vocabulary sections. So here is an example. There will be some sections without voice and subtitles to help you develop your receptive skills. Then later, you will be shown the videos with voice and subtitles to check your understanding. Applying for work. Job advert. Application form. Shortlist. Job interview. There will also be downloadable PDFs, which include the script of the vocabulary and content taught. Travel and holidays vocabulary. Buying a ticket. Internet. Single. Cheap day return. Saver. Season ticket. Marcel will also teach you BSL vocabulary in family, describing people and animals, activities at school, jobs and activities at work, time, activities in the home, leisure activities, opinions, likes and dislikes, eating and drinking, shopping and spending, and also travel and holidays. Now let me introduce you to our two-part BSL dialogues with our remaining deaf presenters. In total, there will be 15 dialogues presented to you, which will again be shown without voice to encourage development of your BSL receptive skills, and then re-shown with voice and subtitles to check your understanding. There will also be some questions about the conversation, along with the full scripts for you to download. So here are our deaf presenters. We have Marcel Hirshman with Fifi Garfield, Woolfe with Radha Starr, Woolfe with Deepa Shastri, and finally Alison Wherry-Alimo with Mark Nelson. Let's give you a quick example of some of the dialogues. Again, some without voice and some with voice and subtitles. Hey, where are you going?
I have to walk my dog. She's getting impatient.
Oh, what kind of dog do you have?
I have an Alsatian.
Alsatians are beautiful dogs.
They sure are.
It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?
Yes, the weather is great.
You're right. The sun is up and there are a few clouds in the sky.
It's the perfect time for a walk.
All the presenters are members of the deaf community and share a wealth of experience, such as TV presenting, camera work, interpreting, deaf acting, and translation work. So I am sure you agree they are ideal people to help you improve your BSL skills. For the last section, there are 5 BSL picture stories included. So let's take a quick look.
Tristan loves gardening. He has bought a new house and has decided to design a new garden. At first, Tristan's garden is completely empty and muddy. He starts by buying lots of rolls of grass. The grass is already planted and he only needs to roll it onto the mud to make it grow.
At 9 a.m. every day, Charlie takes his dog, Bruno, out for a walk. Today, at 9 a.m, Charlie is getting ready to go out. Charlie gets dressed, puts on his shoes, and grabs Bruno's lead. I hope this helps, and I want to wish you luck in your sign language journey.